I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the updated patch is installed, because mechanics changed. Once done, open the map and head straight to spawn zone A. Make sure you carry 1 small fish as bait, 2 bait units, and at least 50 energy points. Move with steady pace, do not sprint, so you arrive inside the 10:00 to 14:00 in-game window. You're initiating the encounter now. This first actionable step forces the penguin spawn timer to begin, and sets up the next sequence. Once positioned 3 to 5 meters from the ice edge with your face oriented north, place 1 small fish as the initial bait and step back. This reduces disturbance and primes the spawn vector. After 20 to 30 seconds, drop the second bait unit. Timing is critical, because the game checks sequential bait events. Then perform the wave emote or call. This increases interaction chance by about 15% and synchronizes AI routines, so the penguin is more likely to approach instead of fleeing. You finish by approaching slowly with a crouch walk for 5 to 7 seconds once the penguin is within range. Sudden moves trigger flee behavior. Aim to deploy a net or a single tranquilizer hit when the creature is between 10 and 15% HP for a clean capture. Timing matters. If the penguin flees or fails to spawn, don't panic. Leave the zone for 2 minutes, reset bait placement with fresh items, and retry the exact sequence. This reset clears the spawn cooldowns and fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.